Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to get Tempered Bapholite in Warframe. Tempered Bapholite is a refined resource used in crafting items related to Deimos content. To get Tempered Bapholite, you first need to obtain Bapholite, which is a raw mineral found on Deimos in the Cambion Drift. Start by going to your navigation panel and traveling to the Cambion Drift, which is on Deimos. Once there, equip a mining tool such as the Sunpoint Plasma Drill, Nosam Cutter, or any other mining drill. While mining, look for yellow mineral veins, as these are the ones that drop Bapholite. Bapholite drops by chance, so you may need to mine several veins before collecting enough. A good place to find Bapholite veins is inside caves throughout the Cambion Drift, as they often contain multiple mining spots. Once you have collected enough Bapholite, return to the Necrolisc and speak to Otak. Otak is the mining NPC, and from him purchase the blueprint for Tempered Bapholite. After buying the blueprint, go to your Foundry in the Orbiter and craft Tempered Bapholite using Bapholite. You will also need nanospores, pyro, and lucent tarot globe. That's it. We just learned how to mine Bapholite on Deimos in the Cambion Drift and refine it into Tempered Bapholite by purchasing the blueprint from Otak and crafting it in the Foundry. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.